No doubt you know that the circulatory system is what moves your blood around the body and that it includes your capillaries, veins, arteries, and heart. But what exactly does the circulatory system do, and what's the connection between your blood and your breath? The flow of blood is what carries out gas exchange. In your case, and in the case of other mammals as well as birds, this means supplying tissues with oxygen as well as nutrients. It also involves bringing waste carbon dioxide to the lungs where the gas can be expelled. Let's get into a little bit more detail. The circulatory system can be a closed-loop system, meaning that the blood is kept apart in blood vessels from other extracellular fluid called interstitial fluid. Vertebrates have a closed circulatory system. Some invertebrates have an open circulatory system, meaning that instead of capillaries keeping the circulatory fluid separate from the organs are immersed in the fluid. The heart is a muscle that propels blood through the circulatory system, which can be closed or open. It has two pumps. One, on the left side, is responsible for systemic circulation, receiving oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and sending this blood to the rest of the body. The other pump, on the right side, carries out pulmonary circulation, receiving deoxygenated blood from the body and sending this blood to the lungs where it can be recharged with more oxygen. We mentioned different types of blood vessels. Arteries transport oxygen-rich blood from the heart. The principal artery is the aorta, which divides into major arteries that serve the whole body. These further divide into minor arteries and then into smaller tubes called arterioles. The smallest tubes are capillaries, which deliver blood at the cellular level in the capillary beds. You also need vessels that bring deoxygenated blood to the heart. These start with capillaries, which join as larger venules, which turn into minor veins, which merge to become major veins. Your circulatory system carries out the transport of oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, as well as the elimination of carbon dioxide waste via the lungs. The constant flow of blood through your circulatory system gets cells the oxygen they need to stay alive.